Hi everyone, I'm Leila Bentoumi and I'm gonna teach you how to make our famous chocolate pie. It's something very dense but like super sweet and very delicious. So this is our dough. It's a chocolate dough with hazelnut and cacao. I don't know the word in English, but I guess you understood that. So with that, I'm gonna make these. So I use a ring to make a nice shape. And that you have to cook it for 25 minutes in 155 degrees. Okay, so now is the tricky part. We're gonna use all these ingredients to make the chocolate pie. Here, you have everything you need to make it at home. Okay, so first step, we have to bring to a boil the cream and the butter. So here we have a nice texture. It's really shiny. It's still warm though, but it has to be. Okay. Next step, we're gonna here put the egg whites. Medium speed. It's important that you start like gradually. You start slow at the beginning and then a little bit faster, and you put the sugar when it's getting a little bit stiffer. And we want really something not too firm, so something like very light, otherwise it wouldn't be mixed properly with the chocolate. So here's the final texture, something like that. I'm just going to put everything in here. So this is really different than a classic chocolate pie with a ganache. This is more like a mousse. I don't know if you say that in English, but so here's how you're supposed to mix everything, like that. Really bring everything to the top, because the chocolate is heavier, so it will stay at the bottom. So the mixture is ready. I'm just gonna pour everything in the chocolate pie. Here we are. So this we're gonna cook for 7 minutes. And then you have to leave it at rest for at least 3 hours. So here's the chocolate pie right in the oven for 7 minutes straight at 180 degrees. to put some bitter chocolate on the chocolate pie to give it a little bit of a extra deeper chocolate flavor. Okay, here we go, and I'm gonna leave you with Arnaud, who's gonna propose you with some ice cream.
So we're in Bozar Restaurant, and I will serve you the chocolate pie. So for the chocolate pie, I can offer you some vanilla ice cream from Tahiti, or some pistachio ice cream from Sicily.